Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve a media driver your computer needs is missing. So to resolve this problem, click on start, type here device manager, open device manager. Now here guys, expand universal serial bus controllers, and here you will see devices, right click on it, generic USB device and update driver. Browse my computer. Then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select it, and if you have any specific one, so select that one, and if you don't have, so select this. The next. Now close and restart. So this way guys, you can fix and resolve a media driver your computer needs is missing. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.